Spidey's Gaming 3.0. Do. Hey guys, it's Spidey's Gaming 3.0 here, and check out my background. Yep, I showed you guys that already, but let's get right into it. Yep, we're doing another Nyan cat video. Oh my gosh, here we go. And do you remember when I said I would do, hold on, I do something different? Well, Classic Nyan is just, there's no universes and stuff, and Zen is just when you play without bombs. So I'll show you what Nyan Wings is. It's like something wings, I don't know what it is, what it's called. Yeah, let's try to get to 50,000. Come on, let's go. And I was trying to get a skin pack for Nyan Cat, so yeah, I need to get to 500,000 gold to get that. So I already have so much for a score. That sucked. So guys, just so you know, this game is called Nyan Cat Lost in Space, not just Nyan Cat. For those of you who want to download this, I'm not sure if this is on Android for you Android users, but I just know this is on iOS. Come on, let's do this. You know what would be really funny if all my viewers were Android users? That would be so funny. I don't know why, but it would. And I might make some videos with Dylan's Vlogs and Fire Flamer today. I'm not sure. Yes. Oh man, I messed that up. So guys, I'm already past 50,000. Let's try to make it to 100,000. That's the challenge for today. Uh-oh. Let's do this. Yes. Whew. So guys, I was playing this before just to find out what it was. So I could give a better explanation, and yeah, this is like so fun. But as you can see, it doesn't show the rainbow trail. For those of you who did not notice. Oh, let's go. No, and once Tac 9 gets ahead of you, bruh. Once Tac 9 gets ahead of you, I'm at 445. Once Tac 9 gets ahead of you, he kills you. Yeah. So let's try to get past 60,000 this time. No. And guys, you know when I made that Hunger Games video yesterday, do you know how many retakes we had to do because of how many hackers there were? Like 7, 8, about 15 retakes. Yeah, that many. Oh gosh, I messed up. Bruh. I really have to get like a higher score on this and get more gold so I can get a skin pack for you guys, and you'd be like, bruh, that's cool. And you know how I said I'd make different gaming weeks and stuff? Like this week is Nyan Cat week. So I'm gonna switch between games. Next week's going to be Pixel Gun week and Minecraft week. All of them have Minecraft videos in them. And by the way, for those of you who are wondering, what about Sky Wars? Yeah, there's something wrong with Sky Wars or something. I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to look like. Everybody has the same skin. Like everybody, Steve and Alex, but their shirts are different colors and their pants are different colors. So I'm not sure if there's something wrong with that, or it's just the way they made it now. Is it maybe so you can't remember who your friends are, and so you have to be by yourself? I'm not sure. No! I got past 60,000 though. Don't you hate when ads pop up? Wait, let's see. How many coins do I have though? Doesn't say. Let's do this. Oh, see, that's the thing with this. You can't mess up like a slide, or you just smash into the ground and you slow down. Yay! Let's go! Aw, see, I'm trying to get combos. You know what's weird? It doesn't move Tac Nyan up, it just moves you back when you slow down. See, I'm only at 2 speed. Now I'm at 5. Watch. But when you move faster, you move forwards. Oh, see, I messed that one up. I messed it up so badly. I know this video is pretty long, but yeah, this is how long the 9 cat videos are gonna be. So we'll see about next week or Monday. I'll do a pixel gun video, but I have most things. Like I'll just show you multiplayer, and I'll show you some other things too. Did you see that I had 2 jump combos? See if I could beat my high score, my high score. Oh yeah, let's do this. Wow, we've stayed in the 7-minute zone for like so long. Beat my high score again. Let's see if we can get to 100,000. No death. Because then I'd have to wait till next week to make more 9 cat videos. Oh gosh, guys. Tac Nyan's catching up where I'm slowing down. Yes. Yes. No. Guys. This is so scary right now. You have no idea how intense this is on me right now. No! So close, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. But let's see, how much gold do I have? Oops. Let's go here. No. 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 Oh gosh. So guys, wait, how much? I was off by such a little bit. Let me check something. No. So guys, I'm gonna look to see how. Oh no, I bought that for how much? Oh. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video here, Bye.